Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about what is copywriting. Now, while copywriting is basically persuasive writing with the intent of driving an action. So to put in another way, what do you want your customer or prospect to do next after reading what you have written? What is the action you want your customer to take? To understand copywriting, we also need to learn the basics of marketing, because marketing and copywriting go hand in hand. We have what we call the customer value journey before a customer would even think to buy from you. Now, it's a step-by-step process. You cannot directly go and ask the customer to buy your product. There is a way to go forward. Have you ever seen girls or boys handing out samples of food when you go to a mall? They want you to try the product first, so that if you like it, you would be encouraged to make that purchase. There are many free trials and offers which the companies offer you. Marketers want to see the value of the product before you can make the decision. Now, one of the best analogies is when you're going for a dating relationship. You just don't go to the member of the opposite sex and ask them if you want to get married. Well, you will obviously get a flat no. And the reason for this is obvious. This is because you haven't even shown the person the value of entering into a relationship with you in their minds. They're asking themselves, what's in it for me? And that's what every customer will ask. What is the value I am getting? What will I get from this relationship? So selling a product or a service is the same. You have to show the prospect, the customer, the probable buyer, the value you are selling before you can even ask them to say yes. In copywriting is all about that. Copywriting is one of the keys to make a person say yes to your product. A person will say yes to your product only if you convince him in a very better and a systematic manner. Only then he is going to buy your product.